Okay, let's do that. That was awkward. Alright. By the way, I'm sorry I missed last week's upload. None of you guys pointed out that I missed an upload. So, it's not like you guys actually care. But, yeah, I don't know. I have no excuse. I've just been kind of not taking this channel to... Hey, slow down, Tesla. Slow down, okay? I have to shift gears. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of struggling to come up with, like, topics or just things to do to film because it's really hard to just constantly keep your videos fresh, right? And kind of not monotonous. Like, unless you're reviewing cars or you have the money slash expertise to modify your cars all the time, there's not that many videos you can make, especially if you're someone like me that can just go out on drives and that's about all I can do. I mean, I can barely drive in the first place too, so it's like, even like in terms of driving, bro, it's like there's only so many roads that I can go check out around the area, right? Hey, buddy. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir. No, okay, okay.
You're not filming yet, right?
I am.
Hey.
Hi. All right, so this is a 2019 BMW Z4 M40i.
It might not be 2019, I don't know.
Yeah, so our friend's coming with us today. His name's Dan. Say hi, Dan. Hello. This is technically not my first time driving this car, by the way.
Have you drove it before? Oh, yeah, you have.
Yeah, the one time.
Like
Oh. Oh.
2020.
2020?
Yeah.
Oh, I knew it. Oh. Sounds good.
Does it?
Yeah.
You gotta exit because there's no data in this.
There's no data? Oh, wait. So that's the handbrake?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
Everything's good?
Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Dude, that was such a long bonnet.
Car's kind of nasty right now.
Yeah, dude. Come on now.
Well, I would've washed it.
The car's fast. Oh, this is nice.
It's comfort right
Yeah,
now.
it's hella comfy. Okay, so we're just not gonna review the car like we usually do by talking hella shit because...
No, go. It's not my car, bro.
That's true. Okay, this is his mother's car that I'm driving in private. Am I allowed to say
Yeah,
that?
she cannot see this video.
Okay, can't find a good seating position, but that's normal. I think
You don't do sport?
is it warm? I guess you don't care about that stuff, huh?
I didn't know it had to be warm.
Can I turn that shit? Actually, no, I won't complain.
What?
The fucking heads-up display?
I don't know.
That thing's janky as fuck.
Oh, the fucking...
Yeah.
The speedometer.
I don't like it. It makes me dizzy.
There's probably ways to turn it. I hate how everything's digital.
Even you hate how everything's digital?
What do you mean even I hate it?
Speed warning. We get a speed warning?
I think you can turn it off.
What the f... Should we put the top down? Fuck it.
The thing's gonna fly out, right?
Should be fine. Alright, so you guys seem to think that I'm actually into convertibles, and that's not true. I'm actually not a big fan of convertibles. The reason being, I just feel too exposed.
That's what I'm saying.
Right? It's like,
it
yeah, it feels like you're just drawing too much attention. People can see you.
It's like pick me vibes.
Yeah.
Pick me energy.
I mean, good thing we have this tint. Kind of saving us.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I would want a tint if I had a drop top. I like the Miata because it's a good car, not because it's a freaking convertible. I don't know why. Like, what's so hard to understand about that? Ooh, wait, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. Oh my God, what? What the fuck? Okay, but like every single time you upshift, it makes that like weird like, and it just feels a little bit dramatic, you know? Damn! This is probably the fastest car I've driven in the past 4 months.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your...
I've been driving like slow ass cars, dude. Oh, this is the best part, but I can't even enjoy it because of these freaking... Wait, let's just try it.
Oh, that felt nice.
Wait, so you can ride roller coasters, right?
Yeah.
Alright. And you trust me?
No, but
No!
you're a better driver than I am. So. Just don't spin out.
Yeah, no, I'll go easy. I don't like speeding with passengers.
Damn.
This shit's fast! Holy fuck! Oh no, okay, we're
Can
gonna...
pass them? Or...
We could? I don't want to be that guy.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm getting sick of the fucking pops from the exhaust though. It's like every single time I fucking let go.
if you do comfort, it doesn't do it.
Yeah, but like you don't want to drive in comfort. Tell me if you see a car. Say ba, and then I'm gonna go.
Go.
You fucking liar.
Oh, see, when I see a car?
Yeah, when do you see a car?
Why?
Because I was gonna wait and buy some space.
Oh.
Jesus, it's too fast.
Is it?
It's actually too fast.
How did you say that?
No, like dude, like we gain speed so fast, and I don't want to be doing 90 here.
I don't think you can do 90.
Oh no, we definitely can.
With this? Here?
Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Because yeah, this is 75, dude.
Oh shit, it's 80 now. Wait, I didn't realize it was that quick.
Yeah, I don't think I like fast cars.
You were saying that?
Yeah. Should we just try Sport Plus?
Try it. That's, I don't know. If I want to go on a drive, that's what I do.
Yeah, it's just weird because like usually you're not gonna understand what the fuck I'm talking about, but usually in this road it's second to third gear in manual. But the way automatic transmissions are geared, it's like we're topping out third gear and we're climbing into fourth gear, and at that point, like we're way too high. Like we're going way too fast.
But can't you manually control it?
Yeah, so like even when I'm manually controlling it, I'm saying like.
But it's like fake.
No, it's just Jesus Christ. Like it's so fast, but it's heavy. So like I need to also manage the weight, and so it just doesn't.
Also, you can't go as quick around the corners and shit.
Yeah, like
because it would like slide out.
yeah.
That's why you like the autos.
Yeah, basically, because like these are super tight turns, right? And it's
Well,
super
your
tight.
car's tiny, right?
Yeah, my car's tiny too. Like this car, like I thought it was pretty small, but like it feels bigger than my car. Maybe because it's heavier.
What is like a V8? This thing?
No, this thing has a turbo 6. All right, let's try like 6/10. Maybe just just ride the grooves. Yeah, those pops and crackles really get old fast. Oh my god.
I thought something was wrong with my car when I first heard it. Or not my car.
Yeah, it's just hella heavy. I see. Alright, verdict is fast. It's fucking fast. I don't think this car's made for like that type of driving though.
No, it's
Mainly for cruising.
yeah.
Yeah. Every time I freaking let off the gas. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba.
So is that real or is that like?
Nah, they just tuned it that way.
Yeah.
I forgot we're in.
So does this go up all the way?
What do you mean?
The hill?
No, I wish.
Oh, it wraps around.
Yeah. It's like surprisingly not nimble. I think this car is best enjoyed just in comfort mode, and you just got the top down and you're chilling.
Just cruise.
Yeah, but I don't.
Some music.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what. Yeah.
I think that's what this car is kind of about. Also, the steering's heavy, but it doesn't tell me shit. Yeah. Like I have, it's like I feel like I turn and then see? You feel that? Look,
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn and then the car turns.
It's like a,
There's like
a,
steering lag. You notice that?
Yeah, it's like.
I don't know if it's because like the wheels are too like far up, or it's just like that. But look, I turn and then it turns.
It's like 0.3 seconds.
Yeah,
off.
0.3 seconds off.
See, it's not me.
Yeah, that's so weird, dude.
So I don't like driving this car that much.
You don't like it?
I mean, it's like over the top.
Yeah, like the blue's a little loud.
Yeah. I just feel like an asshole driving it.
That makes sense.
Especially because it's a BMW.
Ah, that's better. Yeah.
It's cold.
I think for introverts, drop tops aren't the best. These seats are surprisingly not that comfortable. Do you find the seats comfortable? No, right? Yeah. Yeah, dude, this thing's fat.
It does feel fat.
It's big. Is this glass? Oh, it is. That's nice. Yeah, and then M calipers. Bird shit. It's so much bigger than you'd expect it to be. Oh my god, dude. It goes all the way there?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Startup is so dramatic.
I know. I feel like an ass every time I start it up.
I
You
mean,
get demonetized for swearing?
nah, I swear too much. I kind of said I was a Christian in my videos, and they're like, "Why are you a Christian? Like, I doubt you're a Christian. You swear so much."
Or you can't swear if you're a Christian?
Apparently,
No.
yeah. Cause, I mean, it's true. I should watch my tongue. Now I'm starting to think you lied about being a Christian. I can't watch your videos in front of my parents because.
So you can't swear, but you can touch little boys. Irony, man.
You can't touch little boys. Is it just like every freaking like 2019, 2020 car that like has a jerky transmission? Because my sister's 2020 330i freaking jerks every single time I'm like braking, and so it feels like you're like going off and on the brakes, right?
No, that's what I'm saying. And then
Like this one too, dude. Why does it brake like that? Every single time I brake, it just like lurches forward like a fucking DCT. And it's an automatic. Okay, so I thought it was my sister's driving, but it's just BMW transmission.
and you thought it was my driving, but I'm telling you this. I'm a great driver.
Anyone who says they're a great driver, I do not trust that. I don't mean to be prejudiced against new cars. Believe me, I want to be a new car lover too, but it's just... Yeah, I feel like my exhaust sounds a little bit more authentic, if I'm being honest with you. That's so weird, dude. You know, like these past couple days, I've been feeling like my car is a little bit too slow for my taste, and I've been wanting a faster car, right? After driving that car, this feels just right. That's so weird. Like, you would think that driving a super fast car would make it feel like your car is super slow, right? Not the case. Maybe I am just spoiled with like driving this car as my daily. At this point, having Jasper to lend me his car here and there in LA and these nice ass canyon roads, and just, you know, having a GR86 at my disposal, which I can't drive anymore, by the way, because yeah, his insurance expired and he told me that he doesn't see the point in renewing it, which is a really good point because you're not driving it. And so now we just got dead weight in the garage, so that's great. Yeah, I think that's the other thing about this car channel. It's just like having a YouTube channel that strictly revolves around cars as a whole. It kind of ruined the hobby for me, just because cars aren't my entire life, right? But now I have this thing where I have to really pour in all the passion and all the excitement I have for this thing. And so when I do that every single week into these videos, the rest of the week or just in my regular life, I feel like I have less excitement and passion for cars for myself, if that makes sense. Yeah, and then you freaking try to get excited about driving a new car, and then you drive the new car and it's just never as good as you think it would be, you know? Even with the Miata, right? Like, the first time I drove the Miata, I was kind of disappointed and confused, and I didn't know what to think, right? Like, it didn't blow my mind. But then the Miata is just like a special case where the more you think about it, the more special it becomes. And the more you understand it. Oh, that's nice. Someone tell me the name of that car. I forget the name. I guess the point I'm trying to make is I've already experienced peak car. You know, I think the reason I started this channel was to expose myself more to car enthusiasts and to express my feelings about that space as an enthusiast, right? And I think I did that. I've talked about everything I can possibly talk about, and it gave me the opportunity to drive an ND Miata. And after driving that car, I realized that that is peak car. There is no other car that can possibly be better than that car. For me, personally, I think that's the car. And so now I'm stuck in this conundrum where, once again, I've talked about everything I need to talk about, and now I know exactly what I want from my cars. And this car is just so much better than the Z4. I don't know how to explain it.